ayusin na natin tong Radidus Prison. Tara, napatay na natin yung wifi. Doon ka! Kanina pa to guys eh. Dito na ako sa inyo, nag-vlog ako. Sige na guys, sabayan naman yun.
Ready, fight!
Dami ko ulit dito sa laro ba? Maganda na yun sa guys. Ikaw pa dito na naman nakalimutan yan kasi umiyak ko. Nakakaiyak yun.
Ready, fight!
Tara na guys. Doon sa ano, napaka-traffic sa Luwira. Kay ano, ang dami nila doon. Ayaw ko umusog. Ano nagsasabi na yung umusog, ayaw pa rin. Ayan yun na siya guys. Mga mag-charge. Mga sa kabila. Nakakalis ang button ko guys. So yun na nga. Hindi maingay. So next lang natin. You may capture Fat Boo, but you can't never capture his brother. Why you are so sure? Cause I will defeat you here and and after that we will rescue him. Okay, let's fight.
Ready, fight!
So guys, hina na.
Ready, fight!
You thought you can defeat me even if you do. You only make Evil Boo angrier.
Bronso, hindi mo pala napansin sa tinanong kagabi.
Ano?
Pumunta na ng sama, umuwi na.
Muwi na?
Kagabi nila
Lumuwi.
hindi patay na.
Ito yun?
Oo, nagsisig may sakay sila.
That will never happen.
Ready.
Yan, tatapos
Fight.
natin itong vlog na to. Ay, nailagan. Galing ka kasi. Ito si Galing. Ito Galing. Wala ka dito sa bahan para sa school. Uy, lag. All elites defeated. Evil Boo can't run for any longer.
You ready? Fight. Ready. Fight.
Bako na tayo, gogi, usak tayo dito. Hirap ko yun, bako. Yung malalim, focus lang tayo. Here you are, Evil Boo. Why are you trying to capture all of us? Can you not let us go? Since you talk like a normal person, now you can give yourself up and let us take you back. Ha 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 ha. What is that funny? Yes, of course. Oh, it is. You really think I should give up on you? Do you know who I am? I will let you face the greatest fear of your life.
Ready. Fight.
Taga mo to, wasa ka sa. you. Now you can take us back to prison. But remember, if we will find a way to break up again, then we will be there and put you back again. Okay! Sana maganda po. Wala pang binibigay. Sino ba ang kalaban na namin? Wait lang.
Ready. Fight.
Talagay wala pa tayong makuha. Patay na kayo. Ano din kayo sa fight namin? Sabi ko ako kakayan. So, dito tapos na